Hey, welcome to my office. No, it's not a normal office because I'm a full-time telecommuter. Let me show you what a typical day looks like working from the road.
You've decided to take on this adventure, and you're going to need a place to park your RV. Sun Outdoors has plenty of those from coast to coast, from California to Florida, and all the way up to Maine. So then comes the big question, what is it really like working from a sun resort? And for me personally, I'll usually start my day on the patio, grab some coffee, and log into my email and start planning for the day just as I would in a traditional office setting. If you prefer to not work from your RV, most properties have public areas like a pool, some have beachfront, others have conference type center environments that you can work from. And typically I'll work a normal schedule just as I would in the office where I'm hosting calls and meetings. The important thing is responsibilities don't change, you're just in a different place geographically, serving in a remote capacity. Then comes lunch. Now some of the resorts have on-site restaurants, which I highly recommend, have really enjoyed, and they're very, very convenient. You also have the choice, of course, to cook from your RV, or even find a local place at one of the restaurants surrounding the property. As the day starts coming to an end, it's time to explore the surrounding areas, one of the major reasons you're out on the road in the first place. One of our new favorite things to do on the road is kayaking, but of course, being limited on space, this does make it a little bit trickier since the equipment's fairly large. But there's a great solution. You can pick up an inflatable kayak and electric pump, and of course store it either right in the back of your truck or in one of the storage compartments in your RV. Tons of state parks across the nation allow you to use the facilities either for a small fee or sometimes no fee at all. This adventure is allowing us to travel like we're retired, but continue to build our careers, avoid the daily commute, and my oh-so-favorite office pop-in. The whole reason we decided to work remote was the ability to change our view and somewhat live like we're on vacation all year long.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Sun Outdoors has made working from the road a fantastic experience, from Wi-Fi to on-site restaurants and everything in between. If you did find this helpful, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends and family who are considering working from home or working from the road, either on a temporary or long-term basis. See you next time.